Do you want to learn programming is easy and fun way and that to the fastest growing language which is Python? So here we are. Welcome to the simple Snip code. My name is Rahul and in this series you will learn Python language from start to end. Python is one of the most popular programming language and everyday people use it and to do cool things like automations, AI that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, data mining, as well as building applications and websites like Instagram and Facebook. 8 world-class software companies that use Python: Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, and Reddit. If you are looking for a job, Python is for you. In this course, I gonna teach you everything about Python programming language. You need to get started with Python. We are going to talk about all the concept in Python and then we are going to build Python project together. Let me know your feedback and comment on this entire series. If you have any suggestion, you can always put them into comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching. See you guys in next video.